Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your card that you have added onto your Bolt account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bolt application on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already using your phone number and verification code or your email address and password. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, if you wish to delete a payment method or the credit or debit card that you have added onto your account, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. Now from this page, tap on Payments, and now this will open up the payment page where you will see all of your payment methods that you have added onto your account. Underneath the Payment Methods menu, you will see your cash as well as your credit or debit card that you have added. Once you long press on any card, you will see the delete button that appears at the right side. You can simply tap on this button and you will be asked for confirmation whether you are sure that you want to delete this payment method. After confirming forward and entering your password to verify your identity, your payment method will be deleted from your account. You can do this with as many payment methods that you have added onto your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your payment method or your credit or debit card on your Bolt account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.